Yeah, good afternoon, hunters. I am calling you hunters because if you are a follower of my channel, you are automatically a hunter. You are not a hunter of bushmeat, but you are a hunter of business because my channel is called Business Hunters. So today I want to take you into Paystack account where I am going to show you how to create a sales page on Paystack. It's called a business type Paystack Business Starter, which I am going to show you how you can sell your product on Paystack for free using their platform to sell your product. There are two things I am going to show you in this video. Number one, I am going to show you how you can create a payment link, a kind of link that when you send to somebody, they put in their credit card and they can pay you for any product online, most especially when you are selling a single product. That's one of the things I want to show you. As you can see, I am already logged in. I am on the platform. This is my dashboard on Paystack. The second thing that I want to talk about in this video is how to show you how you can literally display a product. You can have a kind of mini shop on Paystack online, a sales page where you can display your product and somebody can also click on your product, put in their credit card and pay you. If you are running a business that people pay you before you deliver, that's basically what I'm going to teach you in this video. The first one that I talked about, how to create a payment link. That payment link that I'm going to create, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can have a small shop on your WhatsApp page, a business WhatsApp, not a regular WhatsApp, where you can also use the link we are creating here, the payment link, so that when somebody visits your profile on WhatsApp, they can see your product that are displayed. Now they can now click on the link that you put there and pay you for whatever product you are advertising online. These are the two things that we want to talk about, and it's going to be practical. I'm going to take you in there to show you how we are going to go about it. Is a very simple thing. Okay, as you can see here, we have the payment pages. This is where we are going to create the payment link that you will use on your WhatsApp profile. And this one, this is product. This is where we are going to create a product page, a sales page that you can send in to anybody and they look at it. You can use it for advertisement. People will pay you for the particular product you are selling on this product. So let me first of all go to payment pages first. Let us set up this one first, and I will click on it. Okay, if you look at these ones here, these are all payment pages that I've created, but I want to create a new one so that you can understand it from the beginning. Look at these options here. One-time payment. This is for when you are selling a product, a singular product, just like I want to display. I am going to sell a product called Silver Crest Blender, just a singular product. So you can either okay, let me click it. Let's go on. Okay, now you name. I'm going to name the product is Silver Crest Blender. Then you come down and you put the description, and I will put it this machine is used for blending foodstuff. That's the description. Then I will now scroll down. Okay, pay closer. If you like, you can upload image here, but I don't advise you to upload image here because it is just a payment link. You are not going to show any product here, just a payment link. Where you need to upload a product is when we are creating a product page, the second item. So if you want to, I want a fixed payment amount on this page. If you click on this, it simply means that you are going to put in how much are you selling the Silver Crest. Let's say we want to sell the Silver Crest for 28,000. You put it there. But if it is a product that you want to, if you don't want to put a particular amount, if you want to use this link for many products, you can leave it blank like this. But let us check it so that it will go along with this video. We are selling this product for 28,000. Then you scroll down. If you want to collect people's phone number, you can click on this. Then you come to advanced. On the advanced here, you are going to put in the message the customers will receive after payment has been successful. Thank you for your patronage. Then you put your email address here so that whenever somebody makes payment, you will receive notification. Then we now go on and we create this page. It has been created. Like I said earlier, this is the first step, creating a payment link. Then the second one is creating the product link, where you will display a particular product that somebody will see the picture of the product and also click on the link to put in the credit card details and make payment. So let us visit this page to see what we have created. Okay, as you can see, this is what we have created. Silver Crest Blender. Look at this, Silver Crest Blender. This machine is used for blending foodstuff. Then if you want to make payment, you're going to put in your name. Let me use anything here. For example, GT, last name, BG. Then I will now put in the email address here and phone number. Then when you click payment, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm teaching here. If you are understanding it, indicate in the comment below. I want to hear you guys. How do you feel about the video I'm making about this Paystack? Let's say now, even if, let's say you want to do a wedding now, and you want people to give you money, and you talk to some people about payment, you can even create a link like this and send to somebody. They can put in their credit card and pay you money from here. You can use this thing to raise money. So as you can see, we have gotten to where you need to supply your credit card details. If I put in my credit card details here now and I click payment now, if I click pay now, I will be debited 28,000 naira. But because I'm not making any payment, I'm not going to click it. So that's the way it is. Then I want to take you back now so that we go back to, we are now going to create a product page now. Our payment link has been created. Now we are going back to, we want to go and create a product now. Okay, now we click on product. Okay, now we are here. You click on new product. What's the name of the product? I'm still going to use Silvercrest Blender. Then you describe it. It is used for blending foodstuff. And you're going to tell your customer how quality this product is, how important it is. It's because I'm just using this video as an example. That is why I'm not going to put in all the details describing your product, how good it is. You're going to tell your customer, this is how where we are. You're going to win the heart of your customers, telling them that you're selling original and all of that. But I'm not going to go into all those details. So now you come down and you put the price here, 28,000. Then you come down the quantity. is unlimited. The person needs to choose how many quantity he needs. So as it is now, we have gotten to this point now. You have set it up, the prices. You now need to click next. The next thing that you need to do here now is to add the picture of the product that you want to sell. You see how simple it is to create a sales page. And this sales page that you're creating is free of charge. It is not a sales page that you're going to be paying a subscription fee on monthly basis. So you don't even need a website to sell product online right now. When you have this account with Paystack, you're going to advertise your product for free. Okay, the product has been uploaded. So now we are going to save it. Save the product I just uploaded now. Okay, now I want to preview what we have created for you to see the page that we just created, the product page that I just created. I want to preview it. Okay, as you can see, let me lower this thing so that you can see. Have you seen how beautiful the sales page is? Now I have created this sales page now successfully. So I am going to use this sales page to market my product. Have you seen the sales page? Very lovely sales page. So if I copy the link now and I advertise it online, people can click it and come to this place. Let's say I want to buy two, I will increase the quantity. I keep increasing it and the price keep going up. If it is only one that I want to, very wonderful and lovely sales page that you can create with Paystack. Then let me try to buy it and see. Let us see how it's going to be. Let me shift the stuff here. Now you're going to put the address and all of that. Then when you click continue, okay, I've not put in the name. Let me just put anything there, GT, BG, then put in my email address. My phone number is there. Then I click preview. You can see now, everything is in order now. Then what you need to do now is to pay. Very lovely. You don't need a website anymore. You don't need a website. When you create this sales page, what website do you need again? You're going to create a website where you'll be paying maintenance fee every month, giving yourself unnecessary headache. You can see now, if I put in my credit details here now, credit card details here now, and I click on pay now, if I click on pay now, I will be debited 28,000 naira. My fellow hunters, this is how you can use this platform to your advantage and rake in more sales online. Let's say you're somebody who is selling ebook. You're somebody who is selling like this silver crest blender and you don't want payment on delivery. You want people to pay you. If you can, like most of the times when I said to sell my silver crest blender to people in Abuja, what I do is that I collect money before I deliver to them. So if I send in this link, it's as simple as that. They can pay me from this link. So this is all I have in this video, but it has not ended yet. I have not showed you how you can link the first link that we created, how you can link it to your business WhatsApp profile so that you can make sales from there. That's the next thing I'm going to do, but it's not going to be on this video because this video will become too large. I want to end it here, but watch out for my next video, how I am going to use the link I have created. The first link I created, I'm going to use it to link with some of my products on WhatsApp so that we can make sales from WhatsApp. You know, WhatsApp is very active, very active when it comes to marketing online. So that's all I have for you. If you feel I've added any value in this video, kindly put in the comment below. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell. Like this video, thumbs up for this video, and let me hear you in the comment below. Thank you and God bless you.